If you are trying to pick a password manager to keep your digital life secure, you have probably come up across Protonpass and Bitwarden. Both are open source options offering secure password storage, cross-platform syncing, and AES 256 encryption. They include browser extensions and mobile apps for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Bitwarden offers strong flexibility. Its free plan allows syncing unlimited passwords across unlimited devices and sharing with one person. It supports a command line interface and can be self-hosted. The premium plan adds 1 GB of encrypted file storage and advanced two-factor authentication options such as YubiKey. Protonpass features a modern, user-friendly interface. Its free plan includes unlimited password syncing and 10 email aliases for inbox protection. Additional features include built-in two-factor code storage and password health monitoring. The paid version offers unlimited email aliases and vault sharing. Proton servers are based in Switzerland, offering strong privacy law compared to Bitwarden's US-based servers. Now let's talk about pricing. Bitwarden's free plan includes unlimited passwords and devices. Premium is $10 per year. Family plan for 6 users is $40 per year. Protonpass free plan includes unlimited passwords and 10 email aliases. Protonpass Plus is $23.88 per year. Proton Unlimited includes mails, VPN, and other services is $119.88 per year. Bitwarden is ideal for affordability, flexibility, and self-hosting. Protonpass is better for those seeking a sleek interface, email aliasing, and strict privacy protections.